Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi Maggi at home, only way. Start by gathering Maggi noodles, well-fermented kimchi, gochujang, soy sauce, garlic, and sesame oil. Chop kimchi and reserve some juice for seasoning. Fry garlic and kimchi briefly to deepen flavor, add gochujang and soy, then toss in cooked Maggi and finish with sesame oil and scallions for a simple, restaurant-style result. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the cook smooth and fast. Measure gochujang and soy to control heat and salt. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of kimchi juice to add brightness without excess liquid. Have an optional egg ready if you want richness and a soft texture. Keep scallions and sesame oil for finishing to add aroma and a glossy finish that lifts simple noodles into something special and cozy. Start by boiling the noodles briefly, then drain to keep some bite. Sauté garlic and kimchi to release sweetness and mellow acidity, which is key to balance. Stir in gochujang and kimchi juice for heat and tang, then add soy for umami. Return noodles to the pan and toss vigorously, adding sesame oil and scallions at the end. Serve hot with an optional soft egg for creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.